Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Black Shark SE is stuck on a boot logo. So in such case, you're gonna have to make sure to shut down your device fully. Just hold down the power button until your logo disappears and your screen becomes black. And now, in order to fix this issue, the only thing that we can do is basically perform a factory reset on this device and erase all data from it. So erase your ejector SD card from the tablet. And after that, in order to perform the factory reset operation, we're gonna have to press and hold the volume up key and the power button at the same time. Just keep pressing them until your tablet vibrates. Then you can basically release both buttons and wait for the recovery menu to appear on your screen. Now, once you are here, you're gonna have to use volume up and down keys to navigate down to wipe data / factory reset, and then press power button to confirm. Then you're gonna have to navigate down to factory data reset to confirm once again. Press power button. This will begin the factory reset process, and once after some logs appear at the bottom of your screen, you will return back to this menu where you're gonna have to select reboot system now by pressing power button once, and then wait until the factory reset operation is performed. Usually it takes about a couple of minutes. And after that, the issue should be resolved. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.